if you are planning a longer trip, an extended stay, or you just want that luxury element to your next trip, this could be the Caravan for you. This is the Bailey Pegasus Black Messina. This is a 4-berth, twin-axle, 8-foot wide caravan with an MTPLM of just over 1,700 kilos. Now, because of that, you will need a slightly beefier tow car, such as Volvo's XC90. Now, inside, the layout is split into 3 distinct sections, so let's go inside and take a look. So the interior layout of the Messina is split into 3 distinct sections. We have the bedroom at the back, washroom in the middle, and lounge kitchen towards the front. Now it's in this lounge where you really feel where that 8-foot wide caravan comes into play, because you're never going to knock knees with anyone here. I mean, this is a simply enormous space. It's comfy too. These are sprung, they're not foam, so sprung throughout, so it makes a comfy seat as well as a comfy bed. And if you like to travel with your gadgets, you can keep them topped up. Plenty of 230-volt sockets throughout. We have USBs, USB-Cs, and also a wireless charging point to my right on the chest. Now, come evening time, we have a pull-out table here, and a freestanding table would also fit here. So if you're traveling as a large family, or whether you're entertaining, you will have lots of room for everyone. And when it is time to go to bed, if you're using the front as a bedroom area, these can be made up into a huge, simply enormous double bed, or they can simply be used as large singles. Once again, that extra width can really be felt in the middle in the kitchen, because we have an L-shaped unit here which gives you 25% more workspace. Now that's something you would appreciate on an extended holiday, as you would all the cooking options. We have a microwave above, dual fuel hob, separate grill, separate oven, and to my left we have a large tower fridge. Or if you want an easier cooking option, there's plenty of room for an air fryer or even a coffee maker. And of course, this being the Black Edition model, we have those nice matte black touches, such as the tap and the towel hooks at the end. So the central washroom, there's a large shower cubicle to my left, and in here is a large basin, loo and storage area. In the middle, plenty of room to get dressed, but importantly, because it's a central washroom, you can access it from either end of the caravan. To section off the bedroom, you simply close the sliding door behind me, and to shut the washroom off from the front of the caravan, you close it off with this door. The bedroom in the Messina is enormous. Now, not just because of that extra width, but also because of that extra room that twin axle chassis affords. This is a king size bed. Currently in day mode, so it's pushed right back, but when it's night time, you simply pull it out for that good night's sleep. Plenty of storage too, wardrobes either side, as well as these bedside units. To the right of the bed is an angled full-length mirror with corner shelves, and to my left, there's another unit. And if you like watching TV in bed, there's a TV point here too. So in summary, the Pegasus Black Messina is a very roomy caravan. So if you're planning an extended trip, or even if you just want that bit more room, that bit more luxury on your next holiday, this could be the caravan for you.